back in the kitchen for another quarantine cooking challenge. This is very often how I start my day, with a yogurt smoothie. And as you know, I'm dairy free. This is one of my favorite brands. You can use whatever. Sometimes I'll do the cashew yogurt made by Forager, and Kite Hill's another good one. That's almond yogurt. So we've got yogurt, and because we're not shopping as often as we usually do, I just kind of make do right now with what's in the pantry or on the shelf. Every now and then I do love bananas. They're a little starchy, they're a little more caloric, but you know what? Not the time to worry about bananas, okay? Who's with me? And then we've got leftover cantaloupe, because they're huge, and sometimes, we can't finish one on the day we open it. Always a little purified water, which I am fond of keeping in a glass vessel. And then I like to punch it up with either chia seeds or hemp hearts. I'm doing chia seeds because they pair well with bananas, simply because, and these are already ground. You really need to have pre-ground chia seeds or grind them yourself. Otherwise, they just go right through you and don't really do anything. But they're a little bitter, so it's really good to pair them with bananas. And then we're gonna blend it all together. Here we go. I'm also a very big fan of presentation. I love these milkshake glasses. They're just fun, they're elegant. They say you matter, you're important, what you eat matters. So this isn't the most, visually appealing, but it tastes really good. It's loaded with nutrition, and it's a great way to start the day. Bon appetit.